Display all Dataframe columns in a Jupyter Python Notebook. I want to show all columns in a Dataframe in a Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter shows some of the columns and adds dots to the last columns like in the following picture. How can I display all columns?
Try the display max_column setting as follows. Or pandas 0.11.0 backwards. This is deprecated, but in versions of pandas older than 0.11.0 the max_column setting is specified as follows.
I know this question is a little old, but the following worked for me in a Jupyter Notebook running pandas 0.22.0 and Python 3. You can do the same for the rows too. This saves importing IPython. And there are more options in the pandas.set_option documentation, this URL.
I recommend setting the display options inside a context manager so that it only affects a single output. I usually prefer pretty HTML output and define a function force_show_all df for displaying the Dataframe df. As others have mentioned, please be cautious to only call this on a reasonably sized Dataframe.
Python 3.x for large, but not too large, data frames. Maybe because I have an older version of pandas, but on Jupyter Notebook this worked for me.
If you want to show all the rows set like bellow. If you want to show all columns set like bellow.
How do I create pixels?